Indian space startup Agnikul Cosmos, on Thursday, successfully launched its first suborbital test vehicle powered by the world's first single-piece 3D-printed rocket engine. Agnibaan SOrTeD, or SubOrbital Technology Demonstrator, lifted off at 7:15 a.m. on Thursday in a mission of many firsts. While it is the second launch by a private startup in India, it is the first to use a private launch pad that the company has set up at the country's only operational spaceport at Sriharikota. It's a historical moment for India's space sector. Powered by world's first single-piece 3D-printed semi-cryogenic engine, this achievement showcases brilliance of our young innovators. Dr. Pawan Goenka, chairman of Ion Space, responsible for coordinating with the private space sector. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, also congratulated Agnikul in a post on X, saying it is a major milestone as the first ever controlled flight of a semi-cryogenic liquid engine realized through additive manufacturing. Typically, engine parts are manufactured separately and assembled later. Using the 3D printed manufacturing process is likely to lower the launch cost and cut down the vehicle assembly time. The company aims to offer affordable launch services to small satellites. The mission was designed to reach a height of about 8 kilometers before splashing into the sea. The company hopes to conduct its first orbital launch, which will be able to carry satellites to an orbit around the Earth by the end of the financial. They hope to provide regular launched in the next calendar year. The other private launch provider, Skyroot, which achieved its first suborbital launch in 2022, is also likely to undertake its first orbital launch this year. Srinath Ravichandran, co-founder and CEO of Agnikul Cosmos, said, "This is the culmination of thousands of hours of reviews and hard work by the team. We are blessed to have had the opportunity and the full support of InSpace and ISRO to design and build original space-worthy hardware in India." Agnikul Cosmos's achievement in launching the world's first 3D-printed space rocket engine marks a significant milestone in the field of rocket technology and solidifies India's position as a leading player in the global space industry.